Shopify is a great way to take your business online in just simple online clicks. But how can you just add Shopify to Stripe to gain a lot of access of payment? So how you can do it? It's just very simple. No, you have to go to the access your Shopify access setting. I'll assume you're getting this because once you are sure Stripe is available, now go to your country and sometimes it isn't available to check. Please go to your settings. Now you have to access the payment modules. Once you're in the setting, click on the payments tab on the left menu bar. If the option is grayed out, it's likely because if you don't have administration access, you're just using a free trial or your account is current on payments for a premium tier. Now, once you have done, you can change now your payment provider. There's a lot of Visa, MasterCard and stuff. Now you can see add payment method and this should bring you to the field where you can connect Stripe. You can search Stripe and that's it. You can now search Stripe to your payment method and this will make you how you can integrate your Shopify with just simple steps with the Stripe to increase your business modulity.